And here comes the research design. The participants. Of course, this study was conducted male and female consumer, and 40 respondents for the pilot study and 460 for the formal study. And all the questionnaire were conducted face-to-face guidelines and collect immediately from each 4 hypermarkets. They are Carrefour, Ultimart, IMA, and Costco. And the duration will be took over 6 months. And here I would like to show the pictures of own-label, private own label for each 4 hypermarkets. The first one is the Carrefour, and let's see, we can see that there's a red and blue label, is the private label. And the second one is IMA, it's a smile. And Ultimart, the sun. And Costco is the turbulent. And here's the reason for why I choose the non-food product. And the first one is because it was the fastest growing and developing market within the retail brands. And these were product categories where the major retail brands dominated. And the following was there are many experienced products. And final part is the previous research tended to focus on the food products. And next, I'm going to introduce the one sample item of the purchasing behavior in my questionnaire. The statements that the own brand non-food products has a good quality. If you agree with these statements, please mark at 5. If not, please mark at 1. And whereas the brand image, it says, if the own brand non-food good products are good for utility. If you agree with these statements, please mark at 5. If not, please mark at 1. And let's see the whole questionnaire in my research. And I've divided into 3 parts. The first part is the purchasing behavior, and the second part is the brand image, and the final part is the demographic background. And in my questionnaire, there's the beginning of my questionnaire is the brief descriptions, and the following is the purchasing behavior. And the red part is the 5 stage, as I mentioned before. And the second part is the brand image. From item 1 to item 6 is the functional image. And item 7 to 11 is the symbolic image. And the final part is the experiential image. And last is the demographic background about the participants. Okay, about the data analysis. This research will conduct SPSS version statistics to collect the data by using descriptive analysis, t-test, and factor analysis, and also the Pearson's correlation test. And the descriptive analysis will use in frequency distribution and the percentage rate to illustrate the sample of demographic background. And the Pearson's correlation test will use to test whether consumer purchasing behavior and the brand image has a significant relationship by gender. And the t-test will to use to test the influence among gender, brand image, and the purchasing behavior. And the factor analysis will use to test whether the measurement items of brand image can adequate to each dimensions. And additionally, the convex alpha will use to test the reliability of brand image and purchasing behavior. And about the validity test, based on the previous literature review and advice from professors and a similar questionnaire, therefore the validity test is the validity test is quite acceptable in my research. And here comes the suggestions of from the committee member. The first one is grammar and FPA format errors. And the following suggestions all about my questionnaire. The first one is terminology. Some committee members suggest me that it is all better to use the simple and easy words while designing my questionnaire. And about my measurement item, some researchers, my committee members suggest me that there are some measurement items in my questionnaire is not quite appropriate. Let's see examples. And the red part is the original one, and the circle here is the alternate, and the new one is in the green part. And the other suggestion is that there are some variables needed to add into my questionnaire, such as the family size and the occupation. And let's see.
Why family size?
Because the committee members think it might be a variables family size for shopping visited the shopping hypermarkets.
Okay.
So she suggests me that it is needed to be added. And that's the end of my presentation. Thanks.
Very good.